안녕하십니까? 이존 치과의 손영희입니다.
Greetings, I am Dr. Son Young-mi of Good Dental Clinic. Today I want to share with you this case in online surgery. The patient is a 68-year-old female who is experiencing severe masticatory difficulties due to significant bone loss in tooth number 26. In addition, she reports discomfort with tooth number 34 and there seems to be notable alveolar bone loss, especially on the lingual side. Tooth mobility was also significant. Examining the CT cut of tooth 26, there is extensive localized inflammation around the palatal root, and a mild thickening of sinus membrane can also be observed. As for tooth number 34, severe bone loss is evident, especially on the lingual aspect. Let's look at the treatment plan. For tooth number 26, the plan involves extraction followed by sinus elevation using the CAS KIT. Bone grafting and implant placement will be followed thereafter. A socket graft will be performed thereafter. Because the prognosis of adjacent tooth number 35 did not seem favorable to the point that it might require extraction, the decision was made to extract both number 34 and 35. After implant placement at number 34, we will connect it to the previously placed implant at number 36 to create a 3-unit bridge. To summarize, extractions are going to be done in number 34 and 35, and implant is going to be placed in number 34. So, preoperative image of number 26 shows extensive granulation tissue post-extraction. Some clinicians prefer using granulation tissue for primary closure. I typically prefer complete removal to facilitate better healing. A minimal flap elevation was performed with a distal incision to assist in soft tissue closure later. In cases like this, in number 6, where septal bone remains intact and the defect is primarily on the palatal side, it is generally advantageous to avoid creating an implant hole towards the palatal side. We must consider septal bone as bundle bone. So, because periodontal ligament becomes gone after extraction, resorption is bound to occur. Drilling was done and CAS KIT was used to do the sinus lift. Followed by implant placement and socket grafting. A collagen membrane was adapted and sutures were done to conclude the surgery. For number 34 and 5, extractions were done and the implant was placed in number 34. While we need to, at times we do place the implant following the socket architecture. However, in these cases, we need to place the implant more lingually in order to secure more buccal bone. But we cannot place it too lingually in the lower. That's not ideal. We need to place it more lingually, but not too much. And after that, collagen bone graft was used for bone grafting, membrane was adapted, and surgery was closed. The prosthesis in number 6 would be removed and splinting would be done to provide a bridge prosthesis. This was how surgery was completed. If you look at the X-ray, panoramic images are as shown. In number 26, sinus elevation can be confirmed on the panoramic images, and in number 34, the implant is in parallel with number 36. In the upper left quadrant, there is implant in number 24, and in the future, I told the patient that number 25 may be extracted and bridge prosthesis of 24, 25, and 26 may be provided. If you look at CT, the implant is slightly palatally inclined, and within the sinus, you can see this graft material. There is a void, but you do not need to pay too much to it. On CT, if you consider the relation with the antagonist, I think this should have been better. I wish I placed the implant deeper, but as mentioned earlier, the major defect was on the palatal side, and in order to avoid the defect, this kind of result came out. In number 34, I did to place the implant lingually. I thought I did it, but on CT, that's not so. We need to be slightly more excessive than what we normally think in determining implant placement position. That was how surgery was completed. If you take a look at the surgical clip, you'll be able to understand it better.
고맙습니다. 아프세요?
괜찮으세요? 네.
아직 탈락탈은 남았죠. 자, 오케이. 봐야 돼. 다음 자리 보겠습니다. 오케이, 나이스. 잘 되고 있어요. 잘 보세요. You know? 해보세요. 이쪽으로 어디 해볼까? 들어가고 그 다음에 머리 해줍시다. 헤드 스트레이트가 생각보다 너무 이렇게 네, 내려주시고요. 네. 해주세요. 네, 갑니다.